Hello everyone, protecting your business before it's too late. Cyber attacks are no longer just a problem for big corporations. Today, small businesses like yours and everyday people are some of the most targeted victims online. My name is Frans and I'm the founder of ThreatShield SA, a cybersecurity service startup firm built specifically for individuals, small businesses that need real protection without corporate levels pricing. I bring professional expertise as a certified ethical hacker, a computer hacker forensic investigator, the holder of advanced diploma in cybersecurity, and trained as a chief information security officer. At ThreatShield SA, I'm helping you identify your vulnerabilities, your threat. I do a threat assessment, vulnerability assessment, strengthen your systems, your networks, improving your cyber hygiene, build effective security policies, recognize threats before they cause damage, respond confidently to cyber incidents. And to help you get started, I offer a free 1-hour assessment, 1-hour consultation to view your risks, provide tailor-made guidance. If you want affordable, effective cybersecurity designed for real people and real businesses, visit my website www.threatshieldsa.online. Let's protect what matters before someone else breaks it. You can call me on my